Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you guys may know, this trading with DERIV, and you can see we are just in some little profit. Just as you can see here, just little profit, guys. It's not so easy. So guys, I want to talk more, so that means I'm going to close most of this trade so that we are going to talk very well. Okay, so I'll be entering the trade maybe later, because if I'm making my trade, you guys know very well that I don't like being on a trade while I make some videos. So guys, on this video I'm going to show you guys some cool new strategy that will benefit you. You can see how that trade ran. You can see how that trade run there, but that is not where we're standing. That's not where we're standing, because this trade here may definitely come up here, may definitely come up to this place here, up to this length, then finally before it comes down. So it's a dangling motion, guys. It's a dangling motion. So guys, just stay tuned to the video. Make sure you don't skip any part. So first of all, guys, I want to show you guys, this is how you take your trades. I will give you guys a new strategy that you'll be using to follow up this market. So, but first of all, guys, this is how you go in for your trade. You have to be mindful of this reversal point There is something new. I want to give you guys something. See this, all this reversal point, you have to be mindful of it. So when you see a reversal point, you know what comes into your mind. When you see a reversal point, you have to know what comes into your mind. So guys, don't forget, before we go so far, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below, guys. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. So guys, stay tuned. We'll be having our live stream section. We'll resume our live stream section, so you guys can see how we trade live and join the live stream. Okay, so guys, let me quickly show you guys some few things. This is for the volatility 75. It does not only work on volatility 75, it also works on boom and crash. So on the boom 500, we have some relaxing motions. Okay, as you can see here, and as you can see this point as well. You can see this point here as well. You can see here, and you can see here. So guys, those places, you check them, and when they touch here, when they touches this point, you know that it's time for some spike. You can see it's everywhere. It's quite easy, guys. It's quite easy, quite easy. So before we go so far, let me quickly tell you guys about our free signal group. We have a free signal group. That's why we call it free. Like, it's completely free. It's completely free. We are not charging you for the signal. The signal is completely free. So check the link in the description. You're going to see the WhatsApp contact or the Telegram channel where you're going to message. And then if you want to come for account management, link to my WhatsApp contact is in the description below, or you message me through Telegram. The link are in the description below. It's quite easy and efficient, guys. It's quite easy and efficient. So let me quickly switch to the strategy that I'll be using for this particular video, guys. Strategy I'll be using here. Let us quickly make it a strategy that I'll be using here. So, which means I'll be having to delete some things here, and then okay, and then we'll add little strength in this. We'll add the Shimoko. Okay, then I've already placed them on my settings, so I'll open it for you guys to see in a bit. I'll open it for you guys to see in a bit. Okay, so you guys should stay tuned and watch. Stay tuned and watch, guys. Stay tuned and watch. Okay, so this is it. Let me increase the pixel so that it will be stronger. Okay, should have 4. Okay, so guys, this is very important. This is very important. So you guys should stay tuned. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because it's quite education. So I want to show you guys the settings that we're using for this video. On the main chart, we have the moving average, the relative strength index on the indicator window 1, Yoshimoku Kenhayo, and the MACD, all in indicator window 1. So before I further to show you guys a few things, let me show you guys a cool investment platform where you can make lots and lots of money. Not just lots and lots of money, you make so much money. So guys, let me quickly show you guys the platform. You can also check the link in the description. You see the platform there. So let me quickly show you guys the settings. Okay guys, it's very efficient to know. This is dynamiccirculars.com. dynamiccirculars.com, guys. It's very important. This is a P2P platform. Which is very easy to understand and easy to know. You can see what all they do here. Now you donate money to others, at the same time you want to get help. So you can see here, this is their contact, this is their social media handle. You can join their group through WhatsApp, contact them through Facebook and Instagram. So it's very efficient, guys. This is where you log in, this is where you create your account. Very important. So the first 10 people that will be using the link in my description, the link I will keep in the description there, will have to benefit $5 each from it. So you can see in total, the total payment they have made is 45, and then the amount donated is 1.29 million naira, guys. So any country of the world you're interested, you want to join, you can use the link in the description there and message them directly, the link in the description, and come to the platform, or you can just message me and I will guide you how it goes. It's quite easy to understand, guys. You can see it's quite easy. You can message them on their contact section here. You see their contact, you see their number, you see every single thing you need is quite here. Every single thing you need is there. These are the investment plans which they have, guys. These are the investment plan which they have. They have the 10,000 naira plan for those who can't go far. They have the 50,000 naira plan. They have the 60,000 to 200,000 naira plan. They have the 250,000 naira to 800,000 naira plan, and they also have the 1 million naira plan to 5 million naira plan. So guys, my followers, I know you guys have been making a lot of money from me, so don't fail to join these guys. It's a one-time opportunity that you guys will not fail. You know, I've been introducing something really cool to you guys, something really nice to you guys. So take this as an opportunity and make more money, guys, and make more money. Let's quickly go back to the video, guys. So guys, welcome back to the video here. And now on the moving average, the parameter is 23, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to exclude, style is 4 pixels. This is the color we're using here, but it seems I'll have to change it to red. Okay, red. So on the indicator window, on the relative strength index, the period is 20, apply to exclude, style is 1 pixels of white, and on the levels we have the 90, 80, 20 and 10. Okay, so then on the Yoshimoku Kenhayo, we have the Tenkan-sen to be 5, Konjo-sen to be 4, Sekaspan B to be 2, and you tick it. And then on the Tenkan-sen, on the styles, you have the 4 pixels of red, and then every other one there has to be 1 pixel. You can screenshot it for future use, okay, but the video is always here for you to watch. So on the MACD, you have the fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 1, apply to exclude, main is 2 pixels of green, and signal is 4 pixels of red. So now this is how you use it. Don't forget to do account management, guys. It's very, very important. Don't forget to do account management. So this is how you use it here. Just like I said, you have to be mindful of the reversal point, and then these positions you have to note them, because it's a cool position where you can make massive money from it. Okay, so if you're the working class person, and then you want us to trade for you, we trade with target, guys. We trade with target, and we use a lot of risk management. So my WhatsApp contact will be in the description below for you to message me. And thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.